Want to turn your skills into cash? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 in-demand skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these are perfect for you. Let's dive in. First up is web development. Businesses and individuals need websites to establish their online presence, and if you can build them, you'll be in high demand. As a web developer, you'll create and maintain websites using coding languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Start by learning platforms like WordPress or tools like Visual Studio Code. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to small businesses that need help with their websites. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Next is writing. If you have a way with words, this skill is perfect for you. Businesses and individuals need writers for blogs, articles, and marketing content. As a writer, you'll create engaging and persuasive content that drives results. Start by learning the basics of copywriting and SEO. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per article, depending on the length and complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering high-quality content. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or ProBlogger, or by reaching out to businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Third is rental. If you have assets like property, equipment, or even digital tools, you can rent them out for profit. As a rental business owner, you'll manage listings, handle bookings, and ensure customer satisfaction. Start by listing your assets on platforms like Airbnb, Fat Llama, or Turo. Many rental owners earn $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on the demand for their assets. To get started, focus on providing excellent customer service and maintaining your assets. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. Fourth is social media management. Businesses need experts to manage their social media accounts and grow their online presence. As a social media manager, you'll create content, run ads, and engage with followers. Start by learning platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Many businesses pay $25 to $100 per hour for social media management services, depending on the scope of the project. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' goals and delivering measurable results. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. Finally, let's talk about UI/UX design. Businesses need user-friendly designs for their websites and apps, and if you can create them, you'll be in high demand. As a UI/UX designer, you'll create interfaces that are both functional and visually appealing. Start by learning tools like Figma or Adobe XD, which are widely used in the industry. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to startups that need help with their designs. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. And there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose web development, writing, rental, social media management, or UI/UX design, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.